Last season, thousands answered the call. But only a handful made it all the way. This year, the battle returns bigger than ever with League of Legends, Counter-Strike 2, and Brawl Stars. But now, a new contender enters the arena. Everyone, let's welcome Rocket League to the competition. These 4 games will share a prize pool of 100,000 euros. Last season, over 9,000 players fought for glory, but only the best became champions. Register now and prove it. The competition is organized into 3 phases. Starting from the qualifications, you'll push through the Swiss stage and fight your way into the playoffs. The best teams will face off in the LAN finals that will take place in Budapest, Hungary. Don't miss your chance. Visit the official website and claim your spot among the best.